You are about to start an interactive adventure here on YouTube. You can play Dungeon Escape on all platforms, even if the most comfortable solution is your PC. Let's take a look at a couple of settings that you will need to fix. First, you need to disable the automatic playback of videos. As you can see here, the game is subtitled in English and Italian. The cards suggested during the videos are not advertising. They will appear only in certain points of the dungeon and will represent hidden areas to explore. Don't miss them. You will need a 20 die, first of all, to calculate your health points. You can roll the die 3 times and keep the best score. Once your HP drops to 0, you are dead and the game is over. Mark your points on a sheet of paper, along with the objects you can find along the way. At the end of each room and each fight, follow the corresponding video. The enemies will be described before each battle. The combat system is simple and provides for a single die roll for each HP. If you are successful, you will take away a point from the opponent, while in the case of an insufficient roll, you will lose that point. Get ready to explore interactive zones, defeat powerful enemies that can lead you to your grave. All for fortune and glory, my friends. Now you are ready. Good luck.
Hello, fellow crafters. As you can see, Max is not here, and unfortunately, I don't know where he is. But I know he needs this. This is the Lore Tome, and I know that inside this book there is the key to save Max. Here, bring it to him. The last time I saw him, he was at the Crossroad Inn. Now go, find him, because I really think this is much more serious than what I thought. And good luck.
In the middle of the afternoon, you reach the small town of Saltus. The Crossroad Inn is just down the street. There is nothing better than a good beer to start your search. If Max has been here, maybe someone has seen him. You drink big gulps from your pint.